Physics, rotational motion. This is a question of hurricanes. Hurricanes with the wind speed which is in excess of 120 kilometer per hour at the outer edge uh, of the hurricane. Calculate the energy and the angular momentum of the hurricane, considering the hurricane as a rigidly rotating cylinder of air. If it is air and density is 1.3 kg per meter cube and radius is 100 kilometer and the height is 4 kilometers. So it's like a hurricane. So this one is a radius is r, and it's this is a cylinder, and this is its height. So this one. So we have to find number one is energy. So energy we have to find. So energy is mostly is a kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is rotational energy, and which is a rotational energy. So the energy is equal to half I omega square. As it is a cylinder, so this is equal to 1 by 2 mr square, and omega is equal to v by r. If you substitute these values, so this is equal to E is equal to half into half mr square into v square by r square. So this cancel, which is equal to 1 by 4 m v square. So this is equal to now m is equal to rho into v. Rho is given, v is equal to pi r square into h. So if you substitute the value, which is equal to 1.3 kg pi into r is equal to 100 kilometer by 1000, r square into h 4 kilometer. So this is equal to 1.634 into 10 power 10 14 kg, huge mass. If you substitute these values into this one, so the energy, which is equal to 1 by 4 1.634 into 10 power 14 kg multiplied by velocity 120 kilometer. Kilometer is 1000 divided by per hour 60 by 60 second. So this will give you the value, which is equal to 5 into 10 power 16 joule. So energy at the hurricane is a 5 into 10 power 16 joule. So this is huge energy. Now we have to find the number B, which is angular momentum. So L is equal to I omega. So I is equal to 1 by 2 mr square, and omega is equal to v by r. So this cancel, which is equal to 1 by 2 mvr. So half into m is 1.634 into 10 power 14 kg, and velocity is 120 kilometer 10 power 3 divided by 60 by 60 second into r. R is equal to 100 kilometer, 100 into 10 power 3. So this will give us the total amount, which is equal to 3 into 10 power 20 kilometer meter square. So this is angular momentum. kg kg meter per second into r is a meter per second. So this is the solution. So for the hurricane, which has this kind of thing, so the hurricane, this is radius, and the big radius and the small height. So it's like this one, 100 kilometer, 100 kilometer by 4 kilometer. So on the peripheral is a very high velocity and the eyes of the hurricane. So this is the answer, and this is angular momentum is 13 to 10 power 20, and energy is 5 to 10 power 16 joule.